Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to take a look at how to change mixed numbers to improper fractions. And as you can see, we have 4 examples on your screen there. We're going to change each of those to the equivalent improper fraction. So let's jump right to number 1. And we have 3/2 here for number 1. We're going to change that to an improper fraction. So what we need to do is, I call it the C method. The C method I'm going to show you guys, and it's very easy. So we're going to start at the bottom here. So with the denominator, which is 5, and we're going to come around like this, like a sort of C, and we have to multiply the denominator by the whole number. We will get 15. After, we have to add the numerator to our 15, which is 17. Now, for the denominator, we just keep the 5 as our denominator, and we will have this. So, now this won't be our final answer, because we can simplify this to 3/5. We can do this because you know that you can fit 5 3 times in the 17. So 5 times 3 equals 15, and we will have 2 left over of the 17. So we have 3/2. This will be your final answer of the first example. So on to the second example. It's exactly the same thing, but with different numbers. So we start from the bottom, we go around like this, and we multiply them by each other. 7 times 2 equals 14, plus 1 equals 15. Now for our denominator, we just keep the 2, and for this one, this will be our final answer. So this one was very easy, but as I showed you guys, we can just use the C method on all of these, and you will have the problems in no time solved. So again, we start from the bottom, go around like this, we multiply the 2, 8 times 2 equals 16, plus the numerator, so 16 plus 7 equals 23. What we do with our denominator, you guys know that, we just keep it. So 23/8 as our final answer. Now, on to the last example. So for our last example, we have 10/5/6. So again, we just go like this. We go around from the bottom to the whole number. We multiply them, and we have 60. Now, I'm just going to write this one out for you guys, so you guys can understand it. So now we have 60. We add the numerator to it, plus 5, which equals 65. We keep the numerator as it is, and this will be our final answer. I'm going to do one more example for you guys to understand it a bit better, so I will be back after I drew the last example. So I drew another example for you guys, and this one we're going to do all the way from the start to the end. So we have 9/4/7. We're just starting from the bottom, go all the way around, and we multiply them by each other. So this 7 times 9, 7 times 9 equals 63. Now, what we have to do with the 63 is again add the numerator. 63 plus 4 equals 67. So this will be our numerator, 67, and our denominator will stay the same, so our denominator will be 7. 67 7th. So this was the video on how to change mixed numbers to improper fractions. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. If you understand it, leave a comment telling me how the video was to your perspective. If you don't understand it, you can always ask some questions. Subscribe to the channel. I'm Mr. Mathz, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.